So welcome everyone, my name is Donald Lobree and I'm here reporting in from San Francisco from the Flatiron Code School. And I'm sitting here with my colleagues Jason Mortensen and Nick Corona, and we have just finished our Module 1 work, and I'm here to show you our project, our final project for Module 1. And this was an API project, so we took data from the internet and then we made an app. So our app is called Cocktail World, and we took the data from an API that gave information about all different kinds of cocktails. So here we are in our app, and as you can see that there are 4 choices. So we have press number 1, we can search for a cocktail by name. We can search for a cocktail by ingredient is number 2. Number 3, we can just get a surprise cocktail. Or number 4 is the cocktail stats. So we'll do a little tour and show you how it works. So let's start from the beginning. I'll do number 1, and that should give me cocktail by name. So there we are. Now we have to enter a cocktail and the name of a cocktail. So I want to know about a margarita. Enter that, press return, and there we go. So it says you have asked for a cocktail named margarita. Then it gives the instructions for making it. You can see that here. I won't read it out to you. But it also gives the ingredients as well in case we want to make it ourselves. Well, that was very interesting. So now we'll go on to the next one. I want to do some more. So it says enter 1 to return to the main menu. There's 1, enter. I'm back at the main menu. So now let's do something else. We'll go to the next item on the menu. Number 2 is I can search for a cocktail by ingredient. So I'm going to do number 2. All right, now it says enter the name of the ingredient. So what would I like? Let's see. Let's have all the cocktails that have vodka in it. Vodka. All right, and there we are. Right up here you see a list of all the cocktails. Let's see. We have Pink Panty Pull Downs. Never heard of that one. That sounds good. Sea Breeze, our Screwdriver, Shark Attack. Oh my. All sounds very interesting. So those are the possibilities. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu and see what else there is. So I'm press number 1 here. Take us back to the main menu. Now, menu item number 3 is the surprise. So just give me something yummy to drink. So I'll put in 3 and press enter, and my selection has come out Dragonfly. Well, that sounds interesting. It's in a highball glass filled with ice cubes with gin and ginger ale. Ooh, that does sound good. It also has lime in it. Oh, that does sound yummy. So let's move on and finish. Put 1, bring us back to the menu, and our last menu selection is number 4, cocktail stats. Now what could that be? Here's number 4, we'll put that in. And cocktail stats, here we are. So it tells us about our database. Let me just move this up a little bit here. So it tells us, move it up so we can kind of just see what that is. And it shows us that how many cocktails there are and what are the most unpopular ingredients are. So gin is in 18.66% of the drinks, vodka is in 13%, and so on and so forth. So it gives us a little information about the drinks and what they're composed of. Well, very, very nice. So I'm going to go back to the main menu one last time. Oh, actually, I'm giving the menu right here, my mistake. So we're just going to go ahead and exit and finish. So I'm going to type exit. And that brings me back to the command line. So that's it. That's our app. And thank you very much for being with us today. Take good care.